We had a fantastic tour with Nadine, not only to Emily filming locations but also to other interesting places. It was incredibly entertaining and a lot of fun in the small group. Thank you so much, Nadine, we've already recommended you to our friends. My 2 daughters and I took the Emily tour. Nadine's tour was absolutely wonderful and greatly enhanced our stay in Paris. You get lots of insider tips and discover beautiful little hidden gems. Thank you so much. Smile. Step into the world of Emily in Paris with a guided walking tour that brings the hit Netflix series to life. Discover the Parisian spots where Emily works, meets friends, and enjoys her adventures, all while soaking up the city's unique atmosphere. Your guide, a former Lido showgirl, shares personal stories and insider tips as you explore iconic filming locations and hidden gems. The tour begins at the Louvre Museum and includes a visit to a park featured in the show. Walk past Sylvie's agency and Gabriel's restaurant, key locations from the series. Hear exclusive anecdotes from your guide, who is passionate about Paris and its culture. Other tour options are available, including walks through Le Marais and Montmartre.